play pi baro ngi bidang sobhai pi chikathup khubor mata ga jamit shwa ban phaj ki khubor ki babnya ngi ne pechwai ki mat kansan Pelai pat ba Menteri Rang Bakdo Narendra Modi ya ka PVTG Development Mission bat ya ka Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra Lapan long ya ka jingyalang ban kampen bha ya ka rukam trekam jong katanat PWD ha Meghalaya pentip usebut Menteri Rang Bak kejela Sedang ga Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra ha Meghalaya Ai jengmut Menteri ke Jela Meghalaya ban penyesno ganti rel na Guwahati Shadhaka Lingba ke Bakmara. Batla sedang ia kata masa Amur Falcon Festival Hashdok Terso Ribuai District. Ki khubor ki babnya. Menteri Rang Bakdo Kari Narendra Modi ulah pelaj pajba ia ke Pradhan Menteri particularly vulnerable tribal groups PVTG Development Mission ke skim ke ba arpau saw hajar ngi hagasngi buram Janjatiya Gaurav Divas ke balai na Kunti District Hajala Charkhan minta kasngi kene ke mission kan sa arjing mentoy ya nyau pusanteli ki PVTG hakikat pratli ki jela bat ki Union Territory ki basyong basa haki arpau ar hajar sanspa saupau sauteli kishnong hapo ki arspa arpau teli ki district bat ki badon ru kumba arpau pralak ngut ki nong shong shnong umudi ulah pelaj pai baru ya ke Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra ban pentikna bala pentrekam pura ya ki skim sarkar haba ajing kren ha jingalang pai ba ha shnong khuti Menteri Rang Bakdo ulah ong ba ke Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra kan sa ajing tep kan penang pentep bat ajing shai shabaro ki nong yo jing mentoy
इस यात्रा में सरकार मिशन मोड में देश के गांव-गांव जाएगी हर गरीब हर वंचित को सरकारी योजनाओं का जो हकदार है उसके हक के लिए उसको लाभार्थी बनाया जाएगा उसको इस योजना पहुंचे उसकी व्यवस्था की जाएगी और आपको याद होगा मेरे मीडिया के कुछ मित्रों को मालूम नहीं रहता है 2018 में भी मैंने एक प्रयोग किया था केंद्र सरकार ने ऐसे ही एक ग्राम स्वराज अभियान चलाया था और मैंने भारत सरकार के 1000 अफसरों को गांवों में भेजा था
Usembut Menteri Rang Bak Kejela Meghalaya ubak Preston Tingsong henen gesngi ulah pentip bala penlong ya ke wei gejingalang jong katanat planning katanat platinga bat katanat PWD ban ya peleu jingmut halor kumno ban kampen bha ya ki rukam trekam jong katanat PWD hapo Jela Meghalaya ubak tinsong ulah ong bakila dap ban syem ya ke rai khatdo ba on sa penmi ya ke dorkas nagani ke office trekam ke ban sa kentop ya barok ki jingtip ki babnia khatkum bala penpau hapo gejingalang Shuru hagabaya day bagajing pia kerpang iki surak ke Jela Menteri ulah ong bala ka long gajing shnai ke surak thamai lane ban maraman bat ban penbhai ki surak ki balarim ken sada pia bha thik pathik ya menta ke Jela Meghalaya ka don omduna ya ka shipau 1000 kilometer ki surak hapo ka Jela kentopru ki surak ba national highway
Only one issue, and the issue is how to improve the working system of the PUD, be it the new road, be it the construction of the road, be it the repairing, the maintenance of the old roads. Because right now, in the state of Meghalaya, we have not less than 10,000 kilometers of our own state road, excluding the national highway, excluding the road handed over to NHIDC, and very soon we will come up with ON, all the detailed ON, where we discuss over there as per the presentation that we should to categorize even the state road that we have here in the state. Which one is a major road, which one is a minor road, which one is village road.
Kejela Meghalaya kalaya sedok tilang bat kari barok kawai ban sakhilang ya ke jingsdang ya ke Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra hagari barok kawai ke badai ke rukam trekam ke batmu ban kner kti shabaro ki pai ba hagaba an pentiknaru ba ki skim sarkar ki trekam pura Hapo jala Meghalaya ya ka Viksit Bharat Yatra la ple paitba ha East Khasi Hills District mentakasngi. U Chief Secretary uba DP Walang ulakawe lamai ki kali ha ka bala tho e ka khubar Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra. Na Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Secretariat Khandailat Shillong. Menteri Katanat Arts and Culture uba Paul Lingdo ulalong ukongsan ha ka Jan Jatia Gaurav Divas Tribal Pride ha ususotham Auditorium Shillong haba ai jingkren ha gani jingalum lang uba Lingdo ulakren shapang ka jingyang yale ki pai Khasi bat ka jingye kun thma persha jongki Khasi house nem khat praspa arpo khandai Hagabau CM Tirot Singh ulayalam khmat haga jingele jongki Khasi kamau pat CNRD block ru kalaya snok tilang bat kari India borok kawai ban rakhe ya ka Jan Jatia Gaurav Divas. Menteri Katanat Border Area Development urakam e sangma uladawa ban penisno Linti Rail na Guwahati Shadhaka, Lingba Kabak Mara ha South Garo Hills kaban sa Kintiaw Arsha yakayo kakot jong gani kathan. Haba kren shikilat patay kubor urakam ulaong bala slemba kaladon ka jing ay jingmut ha kapor bu Captain Williamson sangma ulalong Menteri Rangba kajilla. Ban penyasno yakanong ba Guwahati bat kari Bangladesh, Lingba Kabak Mara dakilinti Rail. Usangma ulaong bala depha ya ka jingkerpat badai ban bono ya ka integrated checkpoint habak mara knang bakinong jungo kai perthei bakinong trikam la jong kila ban wan namar la da kalinti rel kawan ka kamai ka kaji jong kibriru kan kiyo shikadai.
There was a proposal long time back when the Captain Sangma was a chief minister that to connect Guwahati with Haluagat, Bangladesh through Bakmara with the railway. I will also still demand to make this happen because like Bakmara can be the corridor for the Meghalayas, the northeast, which can connect directly to Dhaka. The business, the trade can employ, and the employment generation will rise up. And lots of young people and businessmen, our economy will improve.
Katirso Valley Wildlife Protection Society kalapelong ya katamasa Amur Falcon Festival kaba arsngi linter hakashnong Tirso Haribhoy District kajing temu kaba kongsan e jongkani kakinhun kalong ban pinne pensa ya kini kisim kiba kintiap nagawai ka jaka shakawai pat kisim Amur Falcon kiba he nari Siberia South Africa shakashnong Tirso manlaw snem hagasamoy ot kaba Menteri Badai Pet ya katanat Veterinary but Animal Husbandry uba AL Hek ula play pai ba ya kani katamasa hinen gasngi haga jing ai jingkren jong uba AL Hek ula kular ya kani ka kenhun ban ya trelang na kabenta ban penne pensa ya kini kisim bat ka jingbo jingtho thik pathik haringkat bat ki jing shisha kat kum ki khana pateng kalong ka bakongsan e khanang ba onla ban kintiaw ya kani ka jaka kum ka wei ne ki jaka jungo kai perthei bat kum juru ban pen itho no ya kani ka jaka hakamap jungo kai perthei hajila Meghalaya.
Ini menjadi terang bagi imlang salang bagi senang ketau. Ini menjadi terang bagi surga nak mentam warna yang kaya agak kuat kejim bentoy bagi imlang salang kejongi. Tinggi bersemu tu yang ke kam kebangi itri. Nak kita dah lalu dah gigi tu yang ke bangi itri ke kam itri. Kumno bagi deal yang ke tourism lingba jom ke bagi sedon ke selling point kejongi. Dengan mata bagi kering yang ke nak jumpa kai pertai nak barok bagi ri ke pertai. Tuan menjui bermomen pej bermomen saki yang ke jumpa yang kita kisam hak ke jaka.
Katunat ki kampo yeng jonggari kalapen pau ya kajing sengau artatien jongka hakabaya day ki kendon jongka MRSSA hakaba ka sarkar jala ka thmu ban bu khrdop ban pej ban khmi ya kajing wan rung jongki brio chapo jala Meghalaya ya ka nela ya thu du simbut menteri rangba ka jala Meghalaya uba Preston Tengsong shakid khot ka HYC ki bla ya kendo ya u menta kasngi bat pan jingshai halor ki khubor baka sarkar pedeng kalapha ya ka sarkar jilla ban pule bnia biang ya ka ai Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Act shen ka sarkar jilla ka la ru ban khat jingalang bat baro ki be don bentalang ban yamir jingmut kumnu ban jam shakmat hakabaya day bat kane ka phang.
Requested the Deputy CM that if it is possible, he should supply to us that copy of the MHA so that from our side we'll be able to give a suggestion to the government. And he has also informed us that the state government in the next few days will be calling a meeting of all the stakeholders in order to discuss regarding this letter that has been given by the MHA. After we get that letters, maybe we can give a proper suggestion to the government as to how the government should move forward.
Haga jingelang beginong patai kubor kabala long mentang sengi ha kabaya day begijing balaya kendo deki asha imentri katanat kakot kakya ikong amperin lingdo ila ong ba om syam ladon kanu ga jingkular siu tulap shekinong tre asha ha kapor ba la aikam yaki kani ga jingkren kalami na kani ga mentri kat ba kinong tre asha kilami ha kisurok bat kilinti singkien bandawa ya kabai siu ka bakhamha ikong lingdo ila ong ru ba kum imentri ila le kat ba ila nakabenta kabha kamiat jongki.
Very clearly, engagement with Ashas from day one has been one of a voluntary nature. Nobody has promised any payments to anyone, and it has been made clear to every volunteer that they can come forward if they have time from their busy schedules, because Ashas are usually women. Whenever they had free time to contribute towards the improvement and upliftment of health in their own village. There was no promise of any salary. There was no promise of anything beyond the activities that an Asha is engaged with.
Superintendent of Police Traffic Jangka East Khasi Hills Ukamakya Prasad Hinden Gasgi ulapan te bau samla khana ubadang hapo ka khat prastem karta ulapan khanya kekendon anya kali kabalawan ra ya ka jingsha tenra jangka wei kalong kebe hamaulai maudat baki haga khatlai tarik unai wing haga ba ka ne kalong kebe kala khlat no hadin khatto ka nepor udisi ulaong bayu ni khana samla la kemno bala pengat kendon an persya ya ulaong haga ba ula benrap syo ru ba on sawat benya haga ba yadai pat kani ga jingja balada don kamru on sale AA persya ki kibi ki pa jong ni usam la khna nagadaw bakila ailat ya u banya ya ka thuk ka ba palat ki kindon an balasha da ka sarkar.
From the preliminary investigation, it appears that the rider, he was a juvenile. He was having a learner license, and he violated the norms and conditions of the learner license, where the person, the learner, he should be above the age of 18. He should be under the age of 18 years. And the person, learner, especially if he rides also, there is a limitation that he can ride the bike with gear up to 50 cc, and that also in public place with the consent of their parents. After this incident, we have already apprehended the juvenile and produced them before the JJV. Case have been registered. We have taken up the follow-up actions. We'll examine the matter, and we will see that if necessary, the parents of the juvenile also, the action will be taken against them for allowing the juvenile to use the bike.
Deputy Commissioner Jangari Bhai District Warpit Upadhyaya Henin Gaski Lapentip Baka District Kalade Ban Pinkre na Dong Shadong Nagabenta Ban Pelong Yagamasa Cherry Blossom Jong Snam Araja Arpolai Hagabala Dap Penbyang Lut Ya Baro Kijinan Kam Nagabenta Kanigatamasa Kabalai Sngilinter Hamadan Kurkalang Hashnong Bhai Rembong Kaban Stang Nadu Kakatnyo Trik Jong Ubnai Naiwing Haba Ajing Kren Chikilat Patai Kubor Hakanong Ba Udisi Ulaong Baladep Ban Penbyang Yiki Bor pahara ban kemi nagabenta ban pej ban kemi iki jakarung bat jakami bat baki nong yarap ngobha na kalyang jong kasnong kin kemi ban penya ya ka jaka penyang gi kali khnang baki pai ba kin lai na kanu gajing e bat ru ban omdon kanu gajing thot ya ka yang jong ki wei pat ki kali ka lenter kan sakot ha ka khat wei tarik unai weng
entry and exit for public amount, so it will be very smooth. We have identified parking places also, for coordination also. We have a special medical camps and all. So we are fully prepared for hosting a very successful Cherry Blossom Festival. Traffic arrangements are already in place. We have a detailed deployment of forces, and even within specified parking area also we will have volunteers from the town and trained volunteers, and police constables also will be there. So that also is being taken care of, so that there is no disruption of normal traffic.
Kalimbung ICC Men's Cricket World Cup ke India kalaya kun persya ke New Zealand haga jingele semi final ke Baningkong Hawan KD Stadium Hanong ba Mumbai. Ke India kala job ya ka tos bat kala jet bantiet Ningkong haga ba kala la bantiet hadu lais ba kandai punya run bat bakala la do noru tang sa wicket. Virat Kohli ulala bantiet hadu shispa khatnya run kabala longru ka jingtiet shispa run ka basan phau jong o hagi jingele kai ODI bat Shreyas Iyer ru ulala bantiet hadu shispa san run kani gade ka sin ka ba ar begini gi artli ki ken hon kilaya khun persha hagi jingele kai semi final hagi jingele kai semi final ka ba ar ka Australia kan se Ireng persha e ka South Africa ha Eden Gardens ha Kolkata la shai ka sngi mentang ini pe ya ka jinglong jingman ka sunmeng ha shilong Kajing shit kalong at holai point degrees Celsius, but kajing kriat kalong shipau point degrees Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau kalong lai posan na kashispa men step, but saphuway na kashispa jan men. Kasun bneng kala banrang ha kane kanong ba pat hakijaka ba markham. Shobel poy shak bakut jagatup kubon ngine pe biang sa shisi ni kimat pakangsan. Pelat pai ba Menteri Rang Badu Narendra Modi ya ke PVTG Development Mission ba ya ke Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra. Penlong ya ke jingalang ban kampen bhai ya ke rukam trekam jang katrat PWD Meghalaya pentip usimbut Menteri Rang Badu Kejela. Sedang ke Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra Meghalaya. Ajing mut Menteri Kejela Meghalaya ban penyesno lenti rel na Guwahati Shadhaka Lingba kabak marang. Bat lasdang ya kata masa Amur Falcon Festival hasnong Terso Ribhai District. Tipalok de kitu ki kubor ngila poi shak buka jang katup kubor jangi meda gajanmen hadu bangin de syam biang bat phila shai kisngi kuble ipi baro.
Narendra Modi flags off IEC vans under Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra to ensure government scheme benefits reach the grassroots. Northeast joins